I found out my boyfriend is a vampire, and I am his reincarnated first love. The first time my boyfriend looked at me like he'd seen a ghost. I didn't realize I actually was one, sort of. Hi, I'm Aisha. I thought my boyfriend Rian was just your average mysterious campus crush. Black hoodie, top grades, zero social media, and the emotional range of a cold coffee. Then weird stuff started happening. He never ate during lunch, ever. He just sit there while I inhale biryani like a vacuum cleaner. Not hungry? I asked. He'd smile and say, I ate before. Before what? The dinosaur age? He never came to outings in the daytime, only late evenings. Movie? He'd say, let's go for the late night shows. Picnic? Sun gives me migraines. Beach days? Uh, I hate suns. Who hates suns? One day, our class planned a surprise trick. We tricked him into coming by saying it was an evening thing. Then the bus broke down and boom, sunrise on the mountain. Everyone was taking selfies. I turned around to ask Rian to click ours. He was gone. I found him behind a rock, hoodie over his head, shaking like he'd seen my exam result. Uh, are you crying? I whispered. He hissed. The sun burns, Aisha. I can't be out here. He held out his hand. His skin was literally smoking. I did the only logical thing. I panicked and threw my scarf over his head like a dramatic Bollywood auntie. Later that night, he showed up at my house, eyes red, jaw tight. I have to tell you something, he said. And you're going to think I am insane. Bro, I just watched your hands roast in HD. Try me. He took a deep breath. I'm a vampire. I laughed out loud. Nice! I'm Beyonce. Then his fangs slid out. I stopped laughing. He stepped back like he expected me to scream, run, throw garlic at him. We're Indian. I'll probably throw haldi. Instead, I just whispered, Okay, so my type is apparently undead. Noted. But that wasn't even the craziest part. He looked at me with his haunted expression. There's more. I- I've known you before. Long before. Like in another college? In another life. He showed me an old, faded painting on his phone. A girl in an old-fashioned clothes. Same birthmark on my collarbone as me. My first love, he said softly. She died because of me, centuries ago. I've been searching for her soul ever since. My heart was racing. You're saying I'm her? He nodded. Same face, same laugh, same stubbornness. When I met you, I thought I was hallucinating. But it's you, reincarnated. I sat down before my legs quit. So, my boyfriend's a vampire, and I'm his second chance at love. Reboot version? He wins. If you never want to see me again, I'll go. I'd rather disappear than hurt you twice. My brain, run. My heart, or hear him out, drama queen. I walked up to him, lifted his chin, and said, Listen, in this life, I ate too much, sleep too late, and fall for emotional, unavailable men. So, of course, I'd end up with a vampire. He choked up a laugh. But, I added, if you really am your first love reborn, then you don't get to spend this life hating yourself. You get to spend it doing better. his voice shook. "You're not scared of me?" "Oh, I'm terrified." I grinned, but also a little in love. Again? Apparently. Now, here's the plot twist even I didn't see coming. A few weeks ago, I took a test. Not the academic kind, the 2 lines kind. I'm pregnant. My vampire boyfriend, Asian tragic backstory at all. And me, his reincarnated first love. We were having a baby. He stared at the test, then at me. "A soul that parts of you, part of me," he whispered. "A new life that doesn't owe the past anything." So yeah, I found out my boyfriend is a vampire, and I am his reincarnated first love. But this time, we were not repeating the story. We were writing the new one. With a tiny half-vampire editor arriving in 9 months.